Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have finally my LookFantastic unboxing for August. We are the 22nd of August. I don't know what's going on there, sometimes it arrives very quickly, sometimes it arrives very late. I apologize for it. So, here we are. And once again, ever since they stopped doing actual boxes, as the name would suggest, a beauty box, I'm always just so concerned that something is broken in here. I also hate these new boxes because I never know how to open them.
One eternity later.
At this point, I just don't care anymore. I'm just ripping it open. Legally, from I can tell, I'm not gonna talk about it. Also, what the hell? Please don't tell me this is an actual... Like I said, don't tell me this is an actual product because I will actually freak out. So, Get the Glow is apparently a theme for this month. This is what the leaflet looks like. What's in the box? The first product is a deluxe size. So here we have the Rituals, the Ritual of Karma, 48-hour hydrating body cream. Can I smell this? Oh yeah. It smells very good. So this is the deluxe size and it's worth £7. Also, you can see that this is not full. This, like, a quarter is already out. Wow. A luxurious 48-hour hydrating cream with lotus flower and white tea to nourish and soothe your skin. When your skin could do with a bit of pampering, the added new Hydro Boost Complex ensures dehydrated skin feels supple and rejuvenated. This unique hydrating complex of aloe vera, squalane, and algae helps to soothe dry and thirsty skin, lock in moisture post-shower, and restores the skin's suppleness and elasticity. This serum is best applied overnight so you can wake up to healthy looking glowy skin with regular use. Now, is it now a body lotion or is this serum? Listen, I told you many times, I have no idea what the hell is going on at LookFantastic, okay? This is a body lotion. Okay, then this one here. Okay, but Revolution Skincare, London. Revolution has like 5... Let me clean my glasses while I talk to you. Revolution has like 500 different branches, right? You have the Revolution, you have Revolution Pro, you have the skincare thing, you have I think a cheaper version than the usual Revolution products. They have a lot. So I'm not even surprised to see that they also have a skincare line. So this is the Revolution Multi-Acid Peeling Lotion. Intense peeling solution. Oh. Helps to smooth skin and improve skin's radiance. Vegan and cruelty-free. Use in the evening, no more than twice per week. Apply to a clean face, do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across face and neck. Rinse with lukewarm water. This solution is intended to be used as a mask. Do not leave on for longer than 10 minutes. Avoid the eye contour and contact with the eyes, both during application and rinse off. Is this gonna burn my skin? Do you remember that one mask that I had? I don't remember what the brand was, but I looked like Mr. Krabs. My skin felt super soft afterwards, but wow, it was a journey. I'm excited to see how this works. The thing is, I'm actually very terrible with keeping products on for the, the specific time. That looks like straight up blood. It actually smells like wet wine. So this is what it looks like. You can bet that I will set a timer for 10 minutes because I will not leave it on for longer than I have to. Oh, 100% not. So this is worth £10 and it's the full size. Oh, okay, so it is a either or. So either you get this one or you get the 10% glycolic acid glow solution. It's bought by Revolution. This high performance peeling solution contains 30% AHA or AHA and 1.5% BHA. The AHA mix is a blend of lactic acid, glycolic, and fruit acids from bilberry, blueberry, super maple, orange, and lemon. These help to exfoliate away dead and dull skin to reveal fresher, smoother skin with a more refined tone and texture. BHA is salicylic acid, which helps penetrate the pores to ease congestion and help prevent breakouts, leaving skin appearing smooth and radiant. I'm excited, but I'm also scared. But I will definitely try it out. Okay, then up next we have this green thing here, which is very small. Oh, it's the deluxe size. It's by Peter Thomas Roth. I heard a lot about that brand. The Cucumber Gel Mask. Oh, Extreme Detox Hydrator. So listen, after you burn off your skin with this product, you put this on to soothe your skin. This is the deluxe size, and I think the full size is $9.99. This gentle yet effective formula effortlessly glides over the visage. The visage. It's not the face, it's the visage, okay? Enveloping skin in a veil of hydration. Enriched with cucumber extract and aloe vera, the gel mask offers long-lasting moisture that eliminates dry skin. A skin-loving blend of papaya and chamomile extracts works to comfort and soothe any irritation, whereas a generous dose of pineapple, sugarcane, and sugar maple extracts perform a visible brightening effect. Like I said, it's not the face, it's the visage, because we speak in French now, visage. I cannot smell this, but I will try that. Use 2 times a week or daily, 10 minutes. Can I not have an overnight mask, that I can put on in the evening before I go to bed and then, slap it on and just leave it on? But yeah, I would definitely try that. Okay, up next we have this one. Ooh, Bleach London Reincarnation Mask. Did we not have this before? Did I buy this? I'm not really sure. Need a second chance? Resurrected, dry, damaged, bleached, or colored hair. I actually need this. My hair is so dry. It's not because I dyed my hair. It's not because of shampoo. It's because the heat outside. It's hot and it's very humid, and my hair just looks poof. I need some hair mask, definitely. I had Bleach London before. I had the hair dyes. I think I also had this before. I'm not really sure. I'm very confused now. Oh, that smells really good. It smells just like the hair dyes. The hair dyes, listen, they do not work on darker hair. Don't even think about it. They don't work. You will not see a difference at all. Nothing. Not even in the scalp where you applied it. You don't see it. This is the deluxe size and it's worth £4. A best-selling hair mask formulated for dry, damaged hair. Summon ultra soft and glossy hair in just 20 minutes with the Bleach London Reincarnation Mask. Developed with bleached, colored, and damaged hair in mind, the mask works to moisturize and nourish the strands, leaving them looking and feeling hydrated. This product is entirely vegan and cruelty-free. We'll love to see that. That's actually nice. This is actually not one of the products. I was worried about this because it would be like, I would say, like, I would not want to pay money for a box and then get free samples as a actual product. You know what I mean? Like, this, you always get 6 products. If this was counted as a 6th product, I would be so pissed. Like, seriously, like, I pay money for this and I get free samples as a product. You know what I mean? But these are actually free samples, and apparently they're only available in certain countries. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Clinical Vitamin C UV Fluid SPF 50. That's what I need. I need it. Like, I might not look that pale white, but as soon as I'm out of the sun, I turn into Mr. Krabs. Even with sun protection, okay? 50 is amazing. I think is this only for your face, or is this for everything? Free sample, not for sale. Well, see, this is what I mean. If I would have paid money for this box and I got a free sample, I would be pissed, but this is just an additional product. Daily use, yes, but only for your face. I never knew that L'Oreal had SPF 50 products, or SPF products in general. Maybe I just cannot buy them over here, but 2 samples as a free gift, that's good. Second last product is actually, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. I do have lip product on right now, but I don't care. No. It actually tastes like coconut. What a surprise. Yo, this combination looks beautiful. This is Carmela? No, what the hell is this called? Isn't Carmela a wrestler? Was she not a WWE? Caramella by Clubber. Just, just one swipe, because it's a very intense pink, right? It's Bobby Pink. In case you are interested in Bobby Pink colors, this is for you. I'm not that big of a fan, so I use it as a blush and lip product. Just one swipe, and now this lip oil on top. This is beautiful. This is very, very fragile. Like, do not, like, I'm barely touching it, and the product is already coming out. Excited about that. Ooh, I'm actually really excited about it. This is the full size and is worth £14. Designed with hydration in mind, this coconut lip oil helps to hydrate and nourish lips with a natural glossy finish. The hydrating blend of avocado oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil makes it the perfect everyday gloss for your vacation. This product is vegan. Look at that. Beautiful. I actually will like that. Okay, so then last but not least, a product that I will not use because I just don't have any use for it. Sell this or give it away to someone. This is the So Eco Face Mask Applicator. I usually, if I buy face masks, I usually buy them in the squeezy tube. I'm not buying them in the top where I have to get my fingers in. Yeah, I will not use this, but I'm sure that someone else will. And whoever gets it will hopefully be happy about it. Okay, so this is the full size and it's worth £70. A face mask applicator to rejuvenate your skin and help to evenly apply your favorite face masks and serums, like the one in your box. Ensure an even and mess-free application using the applicator, leaving you with a noticeably cleansed and radiant complexion. This brand is cruelty-free and vegan, which is good. So that was everything that was in the box. It's actually not that bad. I mean, I was so prepared to go off on LookFantastic for giving me free samples, but they are actually a free sample. Like a gift for purchase, basically. I'm excited for everything. I'm kind of scared for the peeling thing, but that, yeah, I like it. I mean, the body lotion, I feel like we get body lotion every single month. I'm not complaining, but you know, I only have one body. How much body lotion can I use? You know what I mean? But yeah, super excited. This one I will put into my collection and wait until I have used up a few other lip products because I have a lot. Or maybe I'll just use it here in the bathroom, you know, for like an evening lip balm, you know, before I go to bed. I think I will do that. It's actually not that bad. I mean, they could keep the coupons to themselves, but hey, you get in the pamphlet the Glycolic Gold Summer. Oh, they have an interview with Revolution skincare expert Anna Wyspianska? I have no idea. I'm so sorry. Basically, what glycolic acid is and how it works on your skin and what it does, the benefits and all. That's interesting. The Ritual of Karma. Yeah, they talk about the Karma body lotion, but they also talk about Karma in general. The main character, which is an interview, the co-founder and creative director of Bleach London, Alex Brownsell. Ooh, some of that hair is nice. Look, do you see that turquoise hair? Nice. The Glazed Glow Getter. So Beauty Water Ella Bowers tried out the cucumber mask. This I would love to do that. I would love to work for a company, like maybe a beauty, you know, like beauty brand like this, where I try out makeup or skincare. I would love to do that. There is Ella trying out the product and applying it with the brush. So apparently have a LookFantastic and Moroccan beauty box launching, which is very, very interesting. And then what's coming up is I think we had that one before. Oh my god, the Evelyn cleansing balm. I think we had that one before. If I remember correctly, I really love that one. Okay, that's it. That was everything. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried one of those products? I'm excited. I'm actually excited. I feel like this is the perfect summer box. But I mean, apart from this, because I don't know if a lot of people actually use a face mask applicator. Right, but on that, prep your skin with this, soothe it with that, nourish your lips. You have an SPF in. You have things that nourish your hair and body. I feel like this is a great box. I cannot complain for once. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And see you next one.